In this quick tutorial, I will show you how to open up your Subaru WRX key fob and change the battery inside. This device here was used on WRXs between 2015 and 2020, and it takes one CR1620 battery. If you'd like to pick one of these batteries up to change the one in your device, I will leave a link down in the description to get one on Amazon for the lowest price. It's just a couple of bucks. And that's the exact battery that you will need, so go ahead and check that out. And then the only other thing you will need is a regular flathead screwdriver. The first step is just to look up here where the key ring attaches, and on the side you can see there is a little slot in the plastic. Along the seam there's this little indentation where we will put our flathead screwdriver in and turn the screwdriver. You can see we've started to open up the device, it's coming apart, and now we can just go and twist in that little opening until we have this back piece off, and set that to the side. And in here we're just going to dump out this component here that has the buttons on it, and inside is the battery. And you can see along here it's held together with these little pieces of plastic. We're actually going to use the same flathead screwdriver and kind of get this little thing up over the lip here. There's this piece of plastic in the middle that's holding it together. So what we're doing is just kind of sticking the corner in and pushing. Oops. Just pushing so it kind of opens up that one, and then it's not going to feel like much on the first one, but if you just turn over and continue that process, you will feel that it's actually starting to open up, as you can see. So go ahead and do the third one, getting under there and just kind of prying and pushing, and it should come apart in your fingers by the third one, or you can just do all four of them. And now just set this part to the side, and we will look to the battery here. With this metal component facing down, just holding it the way I am, you want to come in on the top left here. There's a little space where we're going to put the corner of our flathead screwdriver and get under the battery. Just putting the corner under and just lifting the battery up like that. Here it is. This is a 1620 battery, and again, I will leave a link down in the description to get one of those on Amazon. And once you have your battery, make sure this positive side that has that text, that information there, is going face down like this. And you will just click that, kind of press that into place, and now we can just go about putting it all back together. So click this back on there. Can now set this into this part here with the key, and then just simply click on the back of the device. There we go. It's all nice and secure, and you have a new battery in there, and you are good to go. So I hope that helped you out. If it did, you can let me know down in the comment section, or just by giving this video a like. And if you ever need help changing another battery in any of your key fobs for any make or model, check out the rest of our videos here on YouTube or visit us at fobbattery.com.